Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Wait guys, do you still remember Ubuntle Samuels? Siyamkhumbula Ubuntle. Yebo. So Ubuntle has her husband, but a strange husband allegedly. Sport was identified as one of the victims that were on the shootout with the police outside Blueville Golf and the country's estate in Midrand. Laphana kusho ukuthi bekushatshwa boma-heist nyana. Something went wrong and police were involved and then the shooting did the deed. And he is allegedly identified as one of the people who went to heaven. Vele vele nje basithi indoda boma-heist is one of his things, yabo, because yasoleka allegedly they sold him to be involved in one of the biggest airport cash transit heist liyayenza ngo-2017. Uyasoleka, weyizwa le nto, uyasoleka as like he was involved, kodwa akukho lokusho ukuthi kumbe kuyasho nedi he was not, yabo. Shame a-strange or not, but the police did the deed and now he's no more allegedly, yabo. He was one of the people, like he was identified as one of the people that were there in that heist that happened in Blueville Golf Country Estate, Midrand. Nithini ngobunhle Nkosi yami? Baba strange kanjani? Kanti Ubuntle was not with someone's husband not so long ago. Yena uba ne-strange husband kanjani while yena she is doing the things with the other people's husband. Asavela, if I'm not mistaken, from Isibaya. Yeah, Buntle, not so long ago, she was attached to that girl's husband. A strange husband. Lesolelo. Allegedly, guys. Allegedly. I don't want you to think that me. You see.